Hey you guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today we're gonna draw you guys something a little different today. I'm gonna teach you guys how to draw Goku from Dragon Ball GT from Dragon Ball FighterZ. If you must know, Goku is the main character in Dragon Ball Super and Dragon Ball GT and Dragon Ball Z Kai and all the other Dragon Ball franchises. If you must know, Goku, in Dragon Ball GT, Pilaf was finally got his hands on the Dragon Balls and was finally gonna become Emperor of the whole world. But suddenly, he messed up again when Goku appeared, and he kind of transformed him back into a kid, which is kind of a bummer, actually. Well, if the Dragon Balls were not reunited by the end of the year, the whole place would go kaboom! Crazy, right? If you must know by now, the Dragon Balls are, super crazy and are, like, crazy to find. Trunks, Pan, and Goku had to search the whole universe to find them, along with the robots named Giru. And anyways, now that that's done, I say we draw Goku right away. Let's begin, shall we? Okay, so here's the thing about Goku. You just draw his head. I got his eyes and now his hair. And you want to know something about Goku? In Dragon Ball GT, he has the power to turn Super Saiyan 4. Super Saiyan 4 is like a fusion of Super Saiyan, it's like the evolved form of Super Saiyan 3, except it is merged with the Great Ape. He did the same thing with Vegeta did the same thing to evolve into that form. He did the same thing to evolve into that form, and Goku and Vegeta fused to become Gogeta, their fused form. And you see Goku and Vegeta can take on two different forms. There's Vegito and Gogeta, depending on how they fuse. Anyways, I'm almost done with his hair. Make sure to almost done with his hair, and it's done. There's his head. Next up, you just gotta draw the neck. Huh? Who would have thought drawing a Goku from GT would be so easy? I mean, I did it the last time too. This is what Goku looked like in the original Dragon Ball franchise. I know what you're thinking. What do you think ever happened to Goku in Dragon Ball GT? Well, I'll be glad to tell you. You see, the Shadow Dragon from the final saga, he was about to go wild, but Shenron, he was released from the Super Dragon Balls, and he needed to become one with a person in order to prevent the Shadow Dragon from reaching its full potential, and what he chose was Goku. You see, Goku and Shenron, they spent time, he was going to train with him for the rest of eternity. Anyways, that's about it for his backstory. But 100 years later, he came back and he knew that Goku Jr. was stronger than he was before. Was there when it happened. You see, Goku Jr. Okay, let me start over. You see, Goku Jr. was Goku's great-grandson, or at least his great-great-grandson. Let's see if I can get this thing done. Okay, so I got his his arm ready. Next up, I just gotta draw the rope on his arm. There we go. There's his... There we go. There's his arm here. Next up is his dojo belt. Here's his other arm. Okay, on the back, I drew his power pole. That's what he used in the original Dragon Ball franchise. I wonder if he still uses it in battle. We'll never know for sure. But here's his fun part. You get to draw his tail. You see it's shaggy and bushy, like in the original Dragon Ball series. There we go. There's his tail. And there we go. That's how you draw Goku from Dragon Ball GT. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time on what I should draw next. See you later.